Ain't nobody here tonight, just me, my guitar, and ghosts of old love. Empty bar at midnight, chairs all upside down. Yeah, that lonely barroom silent on the edge of downtown. Only thing still breathing is this blues sound. Bartender cleaning glasses, like he done 1,000 nights. Throwing pale blue light, and my shadow on the wall there don't look human tonight. Empty bar blues, heavy in my bones. Make a man hate home. Ever since she left me, this city feels like stone. My old Stratocaster crying through a worn-out tube amp. Yeah, every note keep bleeding like a cold hand trembling damp. And every slow blues shuffle feel like walking through a swamp. Outside that cold wind blowing down Lake Michigan line. Yeah, the rain keep falling sideways like trouble by design. And every drop remind me that she'll never again be mine. He got nowhere left to hide, so he poured another whiskey guitar testify. Empty bar blues still ringing in my head. Yeah, empty bar blues sleep beside my bed. Guess I keep on singing till these old blues lay me dead. Ain't nobody here tonight, just me, my guitar, and ghosts of old love. Empty bar at midnight, chairs all upside down. Yeah, that lonely barroom silent on the edge of downtown. Only thing still breathing is this blues sound. Bartender cleaning glasses like he done 1,000 nights. Yeah, neon signs still buzzing, throwing pale blue light. And my shadow on the wall there don't look human tonight. Empty bar blues, heavy in my bones. Yeah, empty bar blues make a man hate home. Ever since she left me, this city feel like stone. Empty bar at midnight, chairs. Hear that train rolling, that ain't stealing wheels, baby. There's heartbreak passing through Chicago. Blue train after midnight, shaking my motel bed. Yeah, that lonesome engine crying like the words she never said. And every mile that train keep moving, feel like love gone dead. Street lights blur through rainwater, outside my window pane. Yeah, this cold Chicago weather still whisper her name. And every blues riff from my guitar sound like sorrow and rain. Blue train blues, rolling deep tonight. Yeah, blue train blues beneath cold neon light. I keep this old heart running till the morning shine bright. Old man at the bar told me, son, heartbreak never sleep. Yeah, he lit another cigarette and stared down at his drink. Said Chicago make tough men cry when the night get deep. The band keep playing shuffle, slow and low behind the smoke. Yeah, harmonica keeps screaming like a soul nearly broke. And every tired bluesman laugh there just to hide the heart and joy. She been gone so long, 'cause true Chicago blues law still pull two hearts along. Blue train blues still rolling through my veins. Yeah, blue train blues like thunder before rain. Guess I'll ride this line forever till I don't feel no pain. Sky's still dark outside, but morning creeping close. And these blues still won't let go. Before dawn, burning between my hands. Yeah, the smoke curls slow upward like prayers that never land. And this old Chicago heart of mine still don't understand. Rainwater down the fire escape, dripping steadier than time. Yeah, lonely sirens crying through the edge of night. And every tide blues a riff, still trying to hold me tight. Last cigarette blues before the morning comes. Yeah, last cigarette blues still beat like a drum. 'Cause every lonely blues man knows nighttime ain't ever done. I hear the L train rumbling past these broken neon signs. Yeah, steel wheels moaning softly like ghosts left behind. And every mile that train keep moving, take another peace of mind. The waitress wiped the counter, say closing time again. Yeah, but sorrow in Chicago always find its way back in. That's why the blues keep living inside tired-hearted men. Chicago after midnight still run deep as rain. Last cigarette blues still glowing in the dark. Yeah, last cigarette blues like a lonely spark. Guess I'll keep on singing till the night don't leave no mark. Wind blowing hard tonight. Coming off that black Chicago river, cut through a man deeper than heartbreak. Shake these old window panes. Yeah, that river wind keep howling like a poor man chained. Ever since my baby left me, this town ain't been the same. Streetcar bells keep ringing through the fog and rain. Yeah, downtown lights still glowing, but they can't ease my pain. 'Cause lonely blues in Chicago run deeper than a freight train. Cold wind blues blow straight through my soul. Yeah, cold wind blues, Lord, it won't let me go. I keep playing this guitar, trying to stay in control. My hands wrapped around whiskey like a man holding prayer. Every sip burns slowly like sorrow in the air. And every smoky tavern still remind me she was there. Old jukebox in the corner playing little Walter Low. Yeah, harmonica crying softly like nowhere left to go. And every tired blues man here got pain he never showed. Say, yeah, they tell you about the heartbreak that washed good men away. 'Cause Chicago after midnight can steal your soul away. Cold wind blues still drift through the night. Yeah, cold wind blues beneath neon light. Guess I keep this blues alive till the morning make things right. Ain't no silence in Chicago, even after midnight. The trains cry, the neon hum, and the blues keep breathing. Midnight on Maxwell Street, rainwater on my shoes. Yeah, midnight down on Maxwell, with nothing left to lose. Every alley singing softly them old Chicago blues. A woman in a red dress disappeared through the smoke. Yeah, she smiled 1 second, then vanished like a ghost. Now every glass I'm drinking tastes like heartbreak and hope. Midnight Maxwell Blues, low and slow tonight. Yeah, midnight Maxwell Blues, beneath tavern light, the city keep on hurting, but somehow feel alright. Oh, bluesman near the corner, play slide guitar alone. Yeah, fingers rough as gravel, but his soul carved into stone. And every note he played there sound like a broken home. The waitress poured my bourbon without asking my name. Yeah, she seen too many drifters all burning the same flame. 'Cause lonely hearts in Chicago all lose this blues game. Lord, if love stayed forever, would the blues still survive? Yeah, maybe pain and music keep a poor man alive. And every midnight heartbreak still got rhythm inside. Midnight Maxwell Blues still echo through the rain. Yeah, midnight Maxwell Blues flowing through my veins. Guess I'll keep on playing till I don't feel no pain. Pour me one more before closing time. Maybe this last glass will finally quiet these blues. Clock say 1:45, but my soul feel 10 years old. Yeah, that old clock keep ticking while this room turn cold. Ever since my baby left me, this world lost all its gold. This tray full of memories, smoke drift through neon lights. Yeah, every cigarette burning like my heart tonight. And this tired old blues man still ain't learned to make things right. One more whiskey blues before they close that door. Yeah, one more whiskey blues. I can't take much more, 'cause every drink remind me who I'm drinking for. My guitar whispers softly through a crackling amplifier. Every chord keep trembling like a church choir on fire. And every lonely note now take my pain a little higher. Outside sirens crying down these wet Chicago streets. Yeah, cold rain keep falling round my worn out feet, but heartbreak and the blues, child, always somehow me. That's true Chicago blues, Lord. Ain't nothing but heartbreaking rain. One more whiskey blues. Then I head on home. Yeah, one more whiskey blues. 'Cause I hate sleeping alone. Guess this old South Side sorrow gonna stay till I'm gone. Bartender, bartender, pour me one more before closing time. Maybe this last glass will finally quiet these blues. Clock say 1:45, but my soul feel 10 years old. Yeah, that old clock keep ticking while this room turned cold. Ever since my baby left me, this world lost all its gold. Ashtray full of memories, smoke drift through neon light. Every cigarette burning like my heart tonight. And this tired old blues man still ain't learned to make things right. One more whiskey blues before they close that door. Yeah, one more whiskey blues. I can't take much more.